Hi, I'm Sophie from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at an AEG induction hob and 3 things we'd love. These are DirekTouch controls, Hob2Hood and PowerBoost. I'm off to our studios now. I'm going to be joined by AEG product expert Andrew Dickens, and we're going to demonstrate these hob features in one of our kitchen sets. Now, the first thing we're looking at is the DirekTouch controls. Why do these make cooking so much easier?
They're just really simple to use. The best way to use them though is just to be gentle on the controls. A lot of people, when they use them, they do this kind of thing. Now, if someone was doing that to me, I wouldn't be happy either, okay? So all you do is just be gentle. So just rest your finger on it, it will turn on. We're gonna make a nice little pasta dish now. With the temperature selection, you can either slide up and down, really simple, or you can just press the temperature you want. But I'm also now going to use a timer. So I'm going to come to this button here, press that, and I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes. There we go. Now, after 5 minutes, that will actually turn itself off. And there is so much more you can do at the touch of your fingertips with those DirekTouch controls, not just temperature. Exactly right. On here, we've also got a pause button and a lock button as well. So let's talk about the Hob2Hood. Now, I noticed when you turn the hob on, the hood actually switched on. Yes, there's an infrared connection between the hob here and the hood. They just talk to each other. So when there's more bits and bobs going on the hob, the hood actually reacts? Yeah, so if I've got four different things on here at different temperatures, the hob will get hotter, which means the hood knows we're going to be creating steam. So all it will do is it will increase the fan speed on the hob. And actually, I can see it's just doing it now as the temperature is increasing on the tomato sauce, because I turned that up a few minutes ago. That's great. You don't have to mess about with what's going on the hood. You can just focus on what you're cooking on the hob. Yeah, it's just one less distraction. So the final thing we're talking about is PowerBoost. Are you ready, Andrew? I am. 3, 2, 1, go. So what are we doing? So PowerBoost is really good for doing things like getting pasta water boiling really quickly, and that's what we're doing here. That's actually cold water from the tap, but PowerBoost is going to get it boiling super fast. What's happening is a lot of the energy has been diverted now to that zone just to make that happen. One of the other things I like using PowerBoost for though is getting a frying pan and getting it smoking hot really quickly so I can do a really good sear on a steak. So I've got a stopwatch here and we're timing how quickly it'll take the pasta water to come to boil. So let's see. So here we go, right, it's just starting to come in now. Okay, call it when it's time. Okay, ready? Yeah. And we're boiling. So that took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get your pasta water boiling. Amazing. This is such a brilliant feature. I mean, there's a lot of water in there for pasta. And as you can see, it's just bubbling away quite nicely there now. Gosh, it looks incredible. And because this is an induction hob, you can actually clean as you cook. So all I've got is an e-cloth with some hot water from the tap, and that is my hob, nice and clean. If you want to know more info on AEG induction hobs, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of my colleagues on Shop Live.